whatever I have. Okay. So we are starting, as sir said, that our land is very precious, and we don't know about our land. What is that? We have many natural resources, such as I'm talking about the scope of geology. Okay, that first, what is the geology? Geo means the land, earth, and logy means study, the study of the earth. Okay. Geology is the practical importance to mankind, very important importance to mankind. It okay. This was scope of geology. Okay, the scope of geology. Geology is the practical importance to mankind. It plays a very great role in the world and also in the Pakistan. Okay, now the fields of Pakistan which have the value in Pakistan, that are the coal, petroleum geology, minerals, atomic fuels, ore minerals, mining industries, civil engineering. Okay, it also recognized in the water supply, construction of dams, tunnels, reservoirs, and etc. The geology, there is only the one name of geology, but it has many branches of geology. Suppose sedimentology, structural geology, volcanology, seismology, and much more. Many branches are there, which are in scope of geology, which are running in Pakistan. There are many fields, many industries in Pakistan, such as Thercoal, British Petroleum, OGTCL, Marzani, I think. Mazrani. Mazrani, in Kandkot. Yeah, there are only the names are there, but the companies which are running in Pakistan, they are there will be 500 in the numbers, or maybe more. But we don't know the scope of geology. We Pakistani people are are not educated people. That's why we are allowing to America and India to overcome on Pakistan. So my presentation is starting from here. The age of Earth. Okay. Now many people determine the age of Earth. Okay, but it is not confirmed that what is the age of Earth. See, as soon as the Earth cooled, when Big Bang occurred, at that time the biologists determined the age of Earth can be 1000 million years. On the other hand, Lord Kelvin determined the age of Earth from the rate of cooling. He said the age can be 20 to 400 million years. And the geologists know that the age of Earth from the formation of sedimentary, which are breaking from the older rocks and igneous rocks. So the age of Earth can be 500 million years. Now the interior of Earth, how our Earth is composed. See, the Earth has radius to the 6,378 kilometers down. Okay, it is divided into three parts. Number 1, crust. Number 2, mantle. Number 3, core. Okay, what is crust? The uppermost layer of hard rocks. It is also called lithosphere. Okay, it composed 30 to 40 kilometers down in the continent, and in the ocean 5 to 10 kilometers. The crust is, and after that the mantle is starting. Below the crust there is a mantle. The mantle, the complete the complete depth of mantle is 40 to 2,900 kilometers. Okay, it is composed of iron and magnesium, and mostly the molten rocks. There, continuously the earthquakes waves are occurring. Okay. Now the third is core. What is core? Core is divided into two parts: outer core and inner core. Outer core is also in the liquid form. It contains iron and nickel, and depth of outer core is 2,900 kilometers to 5,100 kilometers. Okay. It also helps us in the making of electricity, which we call earth. What is called? No, the waves are coming from the earth, and we are making the electricity. See, the second is inner core. Inner core also composed of iron and nickel, but it is in solid form. Its depth from 5,100 kilometer to 6,378 kilometers. Okay, now the earthquake. Okay, what is meaning of earthquake? Quake. Quake means shaking or vibrating of earth. Okay, or simply say the sudden vibration of earth is called earthquake. The earthquake always occurs from the focus. What is the focus? See, the place inside the earth from where the rocks are breaking and earthquakes are generating. That is called focus point. And the epicenter. What is the epicenter? Epicenter is that. See, in focus from where the rocks are breaking and the waves are coming to on the earth. The direct waves are coming on earth. That is called the epicenter point. Okay. Now there are three types of waves. Number 1, P waves. P waves are also called primary waves. They are running in the mantle. It means 40 to 2,900 kilometers. They are running in that. And what is the S waves? S waves are also called secondary waves. Secondary waves are the primary waves can pass from the liquid and solid, but the S waves are traveling only in the solid. They are mostly running in the depth of 40 to 50 kilometers. Okay. Now there is L waves. L waves are also called love waves or long waves. When S waves and P waves are combined and come on the earth, that is called L waves, and there will be the heavy destruction. Now there is the table of earthquake. 2.5 is also recorded by the people, also felt by the people, and 8.5 is a very big destruction. Okay, the earthquake recorded by the seismograph. What is the seismograph? It is an instrument. Have you seen the film Core? this is an English film of American film. There is a graph, and there is a pen. The pen is continuously moving like this on the graph. That is called seismograph. It works when it's running like this. It telling the reading of earthquake. When it become more lines like this, then you can say it is 8.5 earthquake. Okay, the 8.5 is the last earthquake. Okay, now there is a question. If the S waves and P waves are continuously moving, then why we are not feeling the earthquake on surface? Have you any idea about that?
Because they are not combined.
Sorry?
Because both things are not combining, they will combine in tail form.
No.
Just because the first thing.
No. When the S waves and P waves are continuously moving, okay, what happens? The rocks which are present in the earth, they are breaking and filling the gaps from the road material, and the earthquake are stopped. Okay, when these both waves are coming on the earth, then we can feel the earthquake, L waves. Okay. Yes. Now there are two causes of earthquake. How earthquake occur? Okay. There are two causes of earthquake. Number one, tectonic, and number two, volcano. They are the earthquakes are coming by them. Okay. Now, what is tectonic? Okay. The tectonic means to build or to construct. The word tectonic has derived from the Latin language. Okay. And there was another word, I don't know, that is written in Greek language. It also means to build or to construct. Okay. Now, for building this theory, plate tectonic, three geologists worked. Number one, Hesses. Number two, Matthew. Number three, Alfred Banniger. Now, what the Hesses gave theory? He gave theory of seafloor spreading in 1960s. What means of seafloor spreading?